This surah is named Al-Fatihah because of its subject matter. Fatihah is that which opens a subject or a book or any other thing. In other words, Al-Fatihah is a sort of preface, period of revelation. It is one of the very earliest revelations to the Holy Prophet. As a matter of fact, we learn from authentic traditions that it was the first complete surah which was revealed to Muhammad, Allah's peace be upon him. Before this, only a few miscellaneous verses were revealed, which form parts of Alaq, Muzammil, Mudathir, etc. Theme. This surah is in fact a prayer which Allah has taught to all those who want to make a study of His book. It has been placed at the very beginning of the book to teach this lesson to the reader. If you sincerely want to benefit from the Qur'an, you should offer this prayer to the Lord of the universe, who alone can grant it. Thus, Al-Fatihah indirectly teaches that the best thing for a man is to pray for guidance to the straight path, to study the Qur'an with the mental attitude of a seeker after truth, and to recognize that the Lord of the universe is the source of all knowledge. He should therefore begin the study of the Qur'an with a prayer to Him for guidance. From this theme, it becomes clear that the real relation between Al-Fatihah and the Qur'an is not that of an introduction to a book, but that of a prayer and its answer. Al-Fatihah is the prayer from the servant, and the Qur'an is the answer from the master to his prayer. The servant prays to Allah to show him guidance, and the master places the whole of the Qur'an before him in answer to his prayer, as if to say, "This is the guidance you begged from me."